Just gather the seeds with your hands. It's good to pull off the membrane. It's good to run your fingers along the sides, because sometimes, oh, there's one right there.
Here's the seeds after Dawne has picked them out of the pulp. So now they're just going to dry. I'm going to use some seeds that are already dry right here. If you want to use these seeds, dry them in a hot pan or the toaster oven before actually going to the next step and putting them in the oil and doing the actual roast. I'm going to toss the seeds in the oil before I place them on the toaster oven pan.
You can also use other oils, like olive oil or toasted sesame oil or grapeseed oil or avocado oil. So as an experiment, I'm going to try some bacon grease, and I'm going to try some smoked paprika in it too. And I'm going to cook it after he's done, and we're going to compare them in the end, so stay tuned for that at the end of the video.
Stir this in. Now these are ready to spread out. If you want to season them, I'm going to use salt and pepper today. Some people might use some curry powder or smoked paprika we've used, and that's really good. That's actually one of my more favorite ones. But just today, just salt and pepper, keep it simple. Stir this in, and these are ready to spread on the pan. You preheat the oven to 350 degrees. When the seeds are dry like this, they absorb the oil really nicely. I'm going to just do the quick method and dump. Try to spread them out as evenly as you can. I'm going to toss these in the oven to set the timer to 10 minutes. 10 minutes is up. I'm going to check the seeds. They don't look done to my liking. I like them a little crispier. Spread them out a little bit more, and I'm going to put them back in. After another 5 minutes, I'm checking these. And these look done. So, I'm going to try my seeds that I cooked in a tablespoon of coconut oil. They're delicious.
Can you taste the coconut?
Not really. No. And it's not even sweet. I thought it would give it a little sweetness.
It does a little bit.
So I'm going to try yours.
And it was about the same amount of bacon grease, too.
What was it, about a tablespoon?
Yeah. So can you taste the bacon?
You know what? I really can't. Actually, kind of like the coconut ones better.
I like the bacon grease.